So, making passive income online is without a doubt my favorite way to make money because once you put in the work up front and get everything set up, it can continue to make you money over and over again without really doing any extra work. So, for example, I'm here inside my PayPal account, and you'll be able to see these payments that I'm receiving every single day from my various online businesses. So, here's one payment for a little over $2,000. Here's another one for $1,600. We have one here for almost $1,200, $2,000, another one for $1,900. So all these are coming in on a regular basis from my online passive income sources. So I thought it would be helpful for you to reveal my top 6 passive income streams so you can make money even while you sleep. If you're interested in passive income, then you may have heard of Tim Ferris before. He's the creator of the book, The 4-Hour Workweek. Well, among other things, Tim sends out a newsletter every single Friday called 5 Bullet Friday. And inside of this, he shares the 5 coolest things that he found that week. And that brings me to the first passive income idea I have for you, which are email newsletters. Now, these are a great way to share information with your community, provide value, and eventually for you to make money as well. I have an email newsletter myself where I share lots of information about how to get started with a dropshipping business. Every week, I try to update subscribers on what they need to know about to build a successful dropshipping store. And I'm able to monetize that newsletter through sponsorships and through some of the other passive income ideas I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. Now, at first, I suggest you write each newsletter edition yourself so you can develop your own personal style and voice. But eventually, you'll be able to use AI like ChatGPT to help you come up with ideas, write articles, and even to write your newsletters for you. A good place to get started with this is using a service called MailChimp, which has some pretty cheap plans if you're looking to get started with sending out email newsletters. The second passive income idea I want to talk about today is starting a YouTube channel. Now, obviously, starting a YouTube channel, it can take a lot of work, but there is a much more passive way of doing it. And that's by creating a faceless YouTube channel. There are tons of channels out there making a lot of money without ever showing anyone's face. So for instance, there are these animation channels where people just upload these animations, and because of that, you never actually see anyone's face. So once you get something like this started, you can outsource it, and you're able to do that because you're not tied to the videos. It's not like you have to show your face and actually be the one creating the videos. Another example of this are unboxing videos. This channel, all they do is unbox different products while wearing these white gloves, and you never see anyone's face with this. And this last example, although there are countless other examples, this channel produces horror stories, and they just put together stock footage that they get from different websites, so they never actually have to show their face for this. All it takes to do this is some creativity and some basic editing software like iMovie, which comes free on Macs. And you can have a channel like this up and running in less than a weekend. Eventually, though, you're going to want to go onto a website like Fiverr, where you can hire script writers, video editors, and thumbnail designers, and then you'll be able to outsource all of the actual creation of the videos without actually having to do anything yourself. Now, what makes this so passive is that once you create and upload these videos, they'll continue to get you views months and even years into the future. And of course, you'll get paid by YouTube for the views itself, but you can also make money from sponsorships and from affiliate marketing. The third passive income idea I want to talk about is the one that I have the most experience with. In fact, combined, my students and I have done 8 figures worth of sales with this, and it's called eBay dropshipping. So eBay dropshipping is where a seller lists products onto eBay without actually owning the inventory. Instead, after the item sells on eBay, we then buy it from a third-party supplier or retailer who will ship it directly to the buyers for us. So we're basically acting as a middleman, and we earn profit by selling the items for more money than we buy them for. And because you're not going to buy any inventory up front, you don't really need any money to start this, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. So let me show you an example of how this works. So here's a seller on eBay selling this bookshelf for $59.88. Take a look at the photos here. Now, if I were to actually buy this from this seller on eBay, all they're going to do is turn around and buy the exact same item for less money on Walmart. And when they check out on Walmart, they're going to enter in my address as the shipping address. That way, Walmart will ship it directly to me, and the seller on eBay never ever has to touch or handle the product at all. What's really cool about this is that we have software that actually automates a lot of this for us. This is the software that I use, and one of the things it does is it actually lists products for me. So if I go ahead and click add a product, I can come back to Walmart, go ahead and copy down this URL and actually paste it into the software. And this will now let me edit it if I want to make any changes, like if I want to change up the title or maybe change the price, although it does a lot of this for me automatically. You can see it brings in the images, it brings in the different colors, it brings in the description. It actually raises the price for me automatically as well, so I actually make a profit on this. So assuming I'm happy with everything, I can click save and import, and then I would have a listing on eBay that looks exactly like this. You can even set up this software so that once an order comes in, it will actually automatically order the item from Walmart and other retailers for you, so you never even actually have to fulfill the orders yourself. And if this price changes on Walmart or the item goes out of stock, that will be reflected in your eBay account as well. So you see, once you kind of get the items into your store, a lot of it's passive after that. A lot of it's kind of taken care of for you. And if there's any other gaps in there of different things that aren't done by the software, we hire virtual assistants to actually do that for us for just a few dollars an hour, which really makes this a passive form of income. Next up is a way to make money by monetizing your expertise, and that's by selling digital products. This can be everything from selling downloadable PDF guides all the way to online courses. The truth is, there are people out there that want to learn. And if you're an expert in something, or at least know more than the person that wants to learn, you can make money by sharing your knowledge. So, for example, this is a influencer I follow named Tiago Forte. He has a YouTube channel, he wrote a book. He's really big in the space of productivity and organization of ideas. And he created a whole course called Building a Second Brain, which basically teaches you how to build an organization system. So this seems like a very simple concept, yet he's been able to build a course around it that people do join and that he makes money off of. I myself have a couple of online courses. I have one that teaches people how to dropship onto eBay, another one that teaches people how to dropship onto Facebook Marketplace. So this has been a great way for me to share my knowledge with people in a very organized fashion that really provides a lot of value to people. If you're ready to dive into this yourself and build your own digital products, you first want to pinpoint what your expertise is. This could be anything. It could be coding, cooking, gardening, really anything. Whatever it is that you love to do and love to learn about yourself. There are going to be people out there that are just as hungry to learn about it as you are excited to teach about it. Then you can use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to easily create digital courses so you can share that knowledge. And the best part is, once your digital product is live, people can continue to buy it 24/7. The next passive income idea I have for you is to create software. And this works even if you don't know how to code. Generally, one of the keys to making money is to be able to fix a problem that exists for people. So for example, the dropshipping software I showed you before, AutoDS, it saw a problem and they fixed it. People needed a way to be able to track their dropshipping items, to keep up with price changes, to automatically fulfill orders, and now this software does that for you. But this is obviously a very robust piece of software. You don't need to be this big to make passive income with software. So for example, a few years ago, I started dropshipping on the Facebook Marketplace. And at that time, there was no way to copy a product from Walmart or Amazon and paste it into a new listing on Facebook Marketplace. So I hired someone to create a Chrome extension for me that could do that. Then, once I started using it and saw how useful it was, I began to offer it as a service. And now people pay me every single month to use this Chrome extension. And I paid someone else to develop it, and anytime it needs an update, I just pay that person to actually update it for me. So I saw a problem, I fixed it, and now I get paid for it. And the last way I make passive income online is with affiliate marketing. Now, a lot of people believe that affiliate marketing is dead and doesn't really work anymore, but that's just because they're doing it the old way that doesn't work anymore. There is a new way to do affiliate marketing that does work, and it really comes down to authenticity. If you're not familiar with it, affiliate marketing is when you get paid to refer people to products that you recommend. So for example, let's say you tell a friend that you just bought a new pair of headphones and you absolutely love them. And your friend says, "Oh, I want to buy those. Can you show me where you got them from?" Well, you can send them an affiliate link to that product. And if they click through that link and actually buy it, you'll get a small commission. So the easiest way to get started with this is with Amazon Associates. So this is where you can sign up for it. It's affiliate-program.amazon.com. And what this allows you to do once you sign up is you can put in any product from Amazon into this, and it will turn that into an affiliate link. Then you can share that affiliate link with people on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, basically anywhere where you connect with people. And the key with this is really authenticity. You want to be honest with people. Tell them, "Hey, I love this product." Or tell them, "Hey, I like this product, but I saw some issues with it." People really appreciate that honesty and that insight into the product, and they're more likely to actually click through and actually buy that product when you are authentic and honest about it. Now, there are, as I said, plenty of ways to get your affiliate links out there. If you started an email newsletter or YouTube channel, like I already talked about, then you can spread your links that way. Or you could even go on to like Reddit and answer people's questions about the products you have, and then provide links to it saying, "Hey, if you found this answer helpful and you want to use my affiliate link, go ahead and use this link." The best part is that you only need to post these links once, get them in the right place, and if you provide useful value for people, they'll continue to click on it over and over and over again, earning you truly passive income. So there you go. Those are just 6 of the ways that I earn money online with passive income and online businesses. Obviously, there's so many different ways that you can be successful with making money online. So what I really encourage you to do is give some of these a try. This could be the year when you really turn your life around and begin to actually make money on the side that may eventually be able to surpass your full-time income. And if you want to learn about some other ways to make money online that I didn't have time to cover in this video, that specifically you can start with just $0, then make sure to click this video right here, and I'll see you there in just 1 second.